Using AI for oil analysis? Are you out of your mind? I'm a retiree. I'm not going to learn that. I'm too redneck, etc., etc. But what if I told you I could make you an expert in 15 minutes? Stay tuned. Hey everybody, welcome to the Rugged Retiree's Garage. In this particular episode here, we're going to do a oil analysis on our engine oil. In my particular case, for my 2022 GMC with the little baby Duramax in there. I started doing oil analysis after having some issues down at the dealer, and even when we're trying to get those things resolved, I learned that the guys down there didn't actually know how to take a proper oil sample. So I've been doing oil analysis on my own engine here ever since I've been taking over the oil change intervals, and you can actually find out some pretty cool stuff by doing it. So I had actually found a particular issue. I found out that I had a problem with my air filter intake system. It was actually the charge pipe going to my turbo that had shown me that through the oil analysis that I had some high particulate counts there. So this can be really useful. I'm also going to show you how to, believe it or not, this is all new to me as well, but I'm going to show you how to use AI tools to interpret the oil analysis report that you're going to get from them. It's going to break it down so detailed that everybody can understand it, and help you troubleshoot, as did I. I didn't know where to look. I didn't even know that I had an issue there until I did my oil analysis, and hopefully it's all corrected now. It should show up on the next oil change as well, and we'll go from there. Don't be scared about the AI stuff. I'm going to make you an expert in 15 minutes. It's dead simple. Okay, so this is what a proper sample kit looks like right here. You've got a clean bottle inside of another bottle, and our sample is going to go in here. And the best way to do this is actually to make sure that everything is clean by your drain plug. And what's going to happen here, I'm going to start dumping oil, and after it's been running for about 3-4 seconds, I'm going to interrupt the stream. I'm going to pull it away, and I'm going to cap that. Okay, and then this bottle is going to go back inside this bottle, and that will go off to the lab for analysis. Okay, that's our sample. Okay, so we've got our report for our oil analysis, and we're going to use AI to help us sort through all of these numbers here, right? Maybe the numbers don't mean anything to us, maybe they do. The first column here is the first oil change that I started doing the reports on, second oil change, third oil change, and this is my base. So this is new oil. I gave them a sample of new oil, which they also tested, so we've got some base numbers. In this particular case, I'm using AMSOIL diesel 530 dextrose 2 oil. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to copy this whole report, and then I'm going to go open a new window for ChatGPT, and I'm going to ask it what I need here. Okay, and then I'm going to paste my report in there and send it off. Okay, so it shows me here the sample date, mileage, oil kilometers, and comments here. Wear metals. Now, if we look back, all of this same information is here, except the AI is generating an actual description of what each one of these results means, right? So it could be piston or thrust bearing wear. This is negligible anyway. So anyhow, it gives you the iron stuff here as well. And we don't even need to concern ourselves too much with this. And you're just looking for drastic changes. It's not like you're looking for, one or two, even 10 counts of numbers. It doesn't matter that much. So it'll tell us here. So there's no major red flags, right? And nothing's critical yet. Keep watching it. So we can go down and it breaks down every element, and it explains to us exactly what each one of these is, right? So that's just a great thing. So additives show potentially different or blended oil over time. Nothing concerning. Consistent wear protection. So this is the new oil. So we do have a breakdown in our additives over time. That's normal, and we've probably got a little bit of room left for extending the intervals if we wanted to. Physical properties. So this is for SUIT is something measured for diesel engines. We just want to make sure that our emission system is all working well, and there's no problems there. Fuel and water, zero contamination in the oil. So that's a very good thing as well. So it'll tell us what's going on there. Now, particle count, you can see here, is above target. Okay, so I got a high particle count. Now, this is good that it's giving me some information, right? So concern, the jump in particle count and high ISO code suggests dirty oil, possibly due to extended drain interval. So it's not seeing the metals, but it's seeing some dirty particles in there. So check my air intake and filtration. This is probably the culprit here, and we're going to keep reading here. So watch aluminum closely, right? So through our regular oil changes, we're just going to keep an eye on that. You're going to have that in any engine, so it's just a matter of keeping an eye on it. I do work my engine hard. I do a lot of towing with it. Improve ISO cleanliness. Inspect or replace oil and air filters. Consider high efficiency oil filters. Okay, I've got good Wix filters that I use for there. You could reduce the oil change interval, which will also clean it up. So it's asking me a question. Would you help identifying a higher efficiency oil filter, interpreting this for warranty? I'm going to say, or ask it, just say dirtiness. Okay, so suggested it's carrying too many solid. Here's a practical focus. Upgrade oil filter quality. Okay. This is actually what I'm using already. And this here is what I want to actually take a look at. Okay, so many engine wear particles originate from dust or dirt entering through a compromised intake system. So I'm going to go and check all my connections in the air box and all that kind of stuff. Intake hoses, I'm going to check all this, make sure that there's no air getting in that's not been filtered. And this is actually what I use Wix paper filters. I don't use the K&N filters in this particular engine. Okay. And so anyways, you can go through here. You can put your own engine stuff in there, and you can, so after making changes, okay, so you know, we can make some changes, we can tighten some stuff up, and then we do another oil analysis and we see if it's been corrected. So that's what I like to do after my oil changes, why I do oil analysis. And I hope that you find this useful, and just how easy it is to interact with the AI model. So punch that in and see what your results are, and keep a record of it going forward. You can see how your engine is doing over time. So hopefully you found some value in this particular video. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, I've got a whole nother video series called the Rugged Retirees Adventures. Head over there and check out what we're doing. And there's just a lot of fun things for retirees, some encouragement, some live streams, all that kind of business. So hey, we'll see you at the next one.